On today's episode of Pamela's Life, Valentine's Day edition, she managed to serve looks, get educated,
Sigh, I am so tired and done.
struggle at life, and most importantly, overall, have good vibes. Hope everyone had a great, safe Valentine's Day this year. Let me present to mine. Hope you enjoy. Morning, everyone. It's Valentine's Day. So I hopped off the shower. I only have this hoodie on because I wanted to do a little unboxing moment with you guys. I actually bought some things, treating myself since I'm my Valentine. No, I'm kidding.
Sheesh, I was just not trying to brag.
Since I accomplished something and I ordered these a few weeks ago, and I also ordered some other things, but they didn't come. So I decided to, why not open it now and show you guys and style it for today. So right here, I never showed my address. I'm not trying to cover Nalea's brand. Here it is, as you can see, it's from Topshop. So I personally enjoy watching people unbox things because it feels like Christmas. It feels like I'm also getting a present. But for some reason I suck at unboxing. It was hard and difficult. So here are zoomed in highlights of my happy face while unboxing. Okay. So here we have these. It gives me edgy military anti-Rihanna energy. Also Madison Beer performing boy. Look how cool and chunky the bottom of the boot is. I love the boxy shape it has. It's very different. Oh my god, they have a little flame. And I also bought these booties. Also have a chunky heel and are the same color as these. Are they the same color? Clearly. Is you blind? And I bought this shirt because when I saw this screamed to me Colleen Diaz. And I love Miss Colleen. This is the shirt. The way I just said that, I sounded so robotic. Like, she's glitching, y'all. Like, this is whatever. My little unboxing moment. I'm going to style these shoes for today, Valentine's Day. Okay, so I definitely wanted to style this with a light pink color. And I'm gonna go with blue jeans because I was gonna wear tan jeans, but then these, even though it goes together, I feel like the shoe doesn't stand out, and I want the shoe to stand out since this is my statement piece. So I'm gonna put these on and show you what they look like with the shoes and the 3 shirts. And for the short sleeve shirt, I think I could put a white sweater underneath the shirt and it will look nice. So let's see. Okay, option number 1. This look I would describe
Classy,
as
sophisticated.
casual, and for some reason the boots are giving me very horse girl vibe. In this look, I think this outfit is well suited for somebody who
rich
likes horses. Good example of shoes spicing up an outfit. This one I would describe it as preppy, girly, schoolgirl. Also very trendy due to the collar. Early academia girl energy. The pink glasses match and give me goggle-like vibes. Okay, the footage I got from that day was horrible. So here's editing me showing you how this shirt looks like with this underneath shirt. And I think it looks very elegant, almost French. Gives me French energy. Option 3.5 with this turtleneck gives me artsy energy. The stripes on stripes, the glasses, you know what I'm talking about. think they fit you. These are big on me. No. That's so cute. Les deseo lo mejor. Misty. So, I have 2 assignments due at midnight that I have not started.
And that's on procrastination and making my life difficult, haha.
And that's what I'm gonna work on right now.
Do 11:59.
Take pictures in the snow with my mom. Of course, gotta smell good. So. Not obsessed with them, that's why I didn't post. But look how cute my mom is. Feel free to follow my Instagram.
Oh, I'm about to die.
Haven't had this in a while. Chipotle.
Oh my god, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is my life.
Happy Valentine's Day with Chipotle and with my favorites, Valentine.
6:59. Wait, hold on. Would you look at that? No, it's 6:30. She's glitchy. And I'm still doing homework. And the concert's at 9, so I have exactly, it just turned 6:30. I have exactly 2 hours and a half.
Sigh, I am so tired and done.
I should have done this days ago. I don't procrastinate. This is the last time I procrastinate. Like, I'm dead serious. Okay, bye. Will I make it in time to see my date? Will I make it in time to see my favorite album live?
Stay tuned.
I better. Okay, bye.
It's what I like, feel so good, I don't know why I'm addicted. Something like an addict got me twisted. Still I gotta have it. Excited text on my phone and I don't reply.
Well, it's officially the last minute of Valentine's Day. Be your own Valentine every day, and I love you. Subscribe.
Yes, sir. Happy Valentine's Day.